supply of oxygen and the fire is extinguished. Some fires cannot be put out with water. If water is sprayed onto an oil fire, the oil will float to the top of the water and continue to burn. This can be very dangerous because water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil with it and spreading the fire. Water should also not be used on fires caused by electrical appliances. The person spraying water might receive an electric shock and be killed. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to fight an electrical fire. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires, and we spend more trying to find new ways of preventing fires from happening and getting out of control. On the whole, we have learned rather well to control fire and put it to good use to our everyday life. Long ago, there were no firemen. When fire broke out, everybody became a firefighter. People formed human chains, they still do if required, and passed buckets of water from a well or a pond to the blaze. Now there are laws about building constructions which ensure that space is left between buildings to reduce the forest fire risk. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure observance of fire prevention norms. Bands of firefighting workers with special equipment known as fire brigades are there to pull out fires. Firefighters are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They cut off electricity supply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. They are also trained in first aid so that they can help people suffering from burns or from the effects of smoke. The discovery of fire and its uses helped early men to cope with nature better and gradually adopt a settled mode of life. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Fire is indeed a friend, but as we know, it can be dangerous enemy once it gets out of control. COP means deal with, manage. Comprehension check. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. Early man was frightened of lightning and volcanoes, the damage caused by them to, and third is fire. Third, second, fire is an enemy. Fire is heat and light. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction. From the boxes given below, choose the one with the correct order of the following sentences. That is fire. A chemical reaction takes place. Third, energy in the form of heat and light is released. Fourth, oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. Working with text. Answer the following questions. What do you understand by the flash point of a fuel? Second, what are some common uses of fire? In what sense is it a bad master? Match items in column A with those in column B. Fuel, oxygen, heat, lighted matchstick, air, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper, cooking gas. What are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? Match the items in box A with those in box B. To burn paper or a piece of wood, small fires can be put out when water is spread on fire. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing. Space left between buildings. It absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. Reduces the risk of fire with a damp blanket. We heat it before it catches fire to put out an electrical fire. Why does a burning candle go out when you blow on it? Spraying water is not a good way of putting out an oil fire or an electrical fire. Why not? What are some of the things you should do to prevent a fire at home and in the school? Working with language. Read the following sentences. To burn paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. We generally do it with a lighted match. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it burns. The verbs in italics are in the simple present tense when we use it. We are not thinking only about the present. We use it to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Find 10 examples of verbs in the simple present tense in the text fire, friend and foe and write them down here. Do not include any passive words. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below with words from the box. You may choose a word more than once. Carbon cause fires mother. First, Gandhiji's life was devoted to the dash of justice and fair play. Second, have you insured your house against dash? Third, diamond is nothing but dash in its pure form. Fourth, if you put too much coal on the fire at once, you will dash it. Smoking is said to be the main dash of the heart disease. 6. When asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some dash into his stories, Somerset Maugham muttered, "No, the other way round." 7. She is a dash copy of her mother. 8. It is often difficult to dash a yawn when you listen to a long speech on the value of